sprint after him with his rope, flip that rope up, and sprint after him, and that horse is going to finish his whole. And then at the end of it, that horse had his head kind of down right instead of back pocket, made him look like a kid. You know, so it's like, yeah, pretty much any horse. And he does kind of have a few tendencies, like he wants to kind of turn in. And he's just, he kind of keeps his neck and turned in. But that right there, let's see, step in and keep him going around. Now I'm going to start asking for a little bit more out of him, as far as when he slows up and wants to kind of turn in, I'm going to create that energy and keep it down. If I did my point clock spank and got him going, he would be flying around the pen. So I'm just doing enough, creating enough energy for him to keep going consistent. And so we haven't really got to our 6 steps of round pinning like we did last time. So we'll ask him to change coming around this other direction. I'm just going to turn my body and back up. Step over, make him kind of come around. I really don't want him to turn his butt to me and go the other way. I want him to, I'm going to kind of force him to make the right decision. Next time around, I'm going to turn my body and ask him to turn in and go the other way. Right about here, turn my body, step over, step over. There, that was a nice, pretty little turn. Oh, you got me excited. What's that again? Yeah, I got him excited. He's dripping wet. He's just thrilled. We're going to be just friends. We'll probably Facebook friend me when this is all over. Step back, step back, step back. Wrong decision.